Good afternoon, students! How are you today? Are you all excited and happy to attend our class?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, we are all excited and happy for your class today, ma'am.
Okay, before we start our lesson, may I request everyone to open their camera for our opening prayer? Miss Cortez, can you lead the prayer?
Okay, let's close our eyes and bow our head. O Mary, conceived without sin, pray for us who have recourse to thee. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon again, students. Let me check your attendance first. Are you all wearing your uniform?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me share my screen. So our subject is beauty care, nail care services. Last week, we conduct a synchronous session, right? So, who can recapitulate of what was our discussion last time? You can tap the raise hand button on your screen to answer.
Mama ko po.
Okay, Miss Cortez.
Last week, we discussed about preparing the necessary tools and equipment for the specific nail care activity.
Alright, can you list 5 tools that are commonly used in giving manicures and pedicures?
The 5 tools or materials that are commonly used in giving manicures and pedicures are cuticle nail pusher, nail cutter, cuticle nipper, manicure nail brush, and cuticle nail nipper.
Okay, another. How can you keep your nail care tools keep clean and safe?
Ma'am, to keep the tools clean and safe, first is to sanitize all reusable tools by washing them, dry them with a clean towel, and always store your clean tools away from other tools and supplies.
Okay, that's right. So our topic is use nail care tools and equipment. Students, have you tried cleaning your nails done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we start our discussion, we will have this motivational activity that is related to our topic. I will call this Send Emoticon with Me. I will show different pictures of nail care tools and equipment and give its definition or name. Then you will send the heart emoticon if it's correct and the sad emoticon if it is wrong, using the chat box on your screen. Have you all followed my instruction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, let's start. It holds the file firmly in the right or left hand with the thumb underneath it for support and the other 4 fingers on its upper surface. Is it nail file or no? Okay, someone send a heart emoticon. Yes, it is a nail file. Next. Is it a nail cutter? Yes, it is a nail cutter. Next. Do you think it is a callus remover? It is a pumice stone. Students, you answered this correctly. What a great start for our discussion or lesson. So our objectives, at the end of the discussion, the students are expected to first identify the proper use of nail care tools and equipment. Second, determine the proper way of holding and handling some nail care tools or implements and equipment. And last, discuss the importance of following the steps to achieve quality nail care safely. But before that, let me ask you, do you know how to use these nail care tools and equipment properly? Have you held and handled this in a proper way?
Yes, ma'am. I think I handled it properly since I always saw it from my parents.
Okay, do you know what the correct name of this tool?
Yes, ma'am. Maybe I know some correct name of the tools and materials.
Okay, our topic is all about use of nail care tools and equipment. There are different types of nail care tools and materials used in manicuring and pedicuring nails. First is the nail file. This is to shape our nails. Second, the orange wood stick, used in cleaning fingernails and pushing back cuticles. Third is the cuticle nail pusher, used to push back excess cuticle growth. And the fourth is the cuticle nipper, used to trim tough cuticles and hangnails. When using this, use it with utmost care to remove dead cuticle and hangnails so as not to injure live tissue. Next is the nail cutter. It is a hand tool used to trim fingernails, toenails, and hangnails. Next is the nail brush, used for scrubbing the hands and cleaning the fingernails and toenails. And also in hand spa and foot spa, the foot file, it is a pedicure tool used to grate the dead skin off your feet. Next is the callus remover. It is to make our callus thinner and smoother. Next is the pumice stone, used to remove dry and dead skin. And never apply heavy pressure to the pumice, for this can cause sores, open wounds, and possible infection. The hand and foot spa machine. Make sure that electrical wirings are dry and protected from accidental water spillage. Set the machine to the temperature that the client can withstand. Next is the personal protective equipment. These are the garments designed to protect the wearer's body from injury or chemical, or for job-related, occupational safety and health purposes. It has gloves, smock gown, mask to protect the face against chemical exposure, and the headbands to keep our hair off the face. Have you all followed our lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Last week, I announced that you will bring already your available nail care tools at your home because we will have this activity. Get your tools now. Students, your task is to cite the name of what you have bring and demo the use of it. Okay? One tool only and no one should be the same. Copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have here a manicure nail brush. So, the use of it is to remove the dirt on our fingernails.
Yes, that's right. What about you, Mr. Ahento?
Ma'am, I have here now a nail cutter. It is used to cut your nail or trim your nail if it's.
Yes, that's correct. Again, if you don't have all the nail care tools and equipment, what do you think are the most important tools to use? Anyone?
Manicure nail brush and cuticle remover.
Next, why do you think it is important to follow the proper way of holding and handling some nail care tools or implements and equipment?
Ma'am,
Yes?
because it will help to prevent any injuries.
Correct. Another?
Ma'am, since some nail care tools are very sharp, it can cause cuts or bruises on our skin if it is not used correctly.
Thank you. You are all correct. Learning to use tools and equipment properly assures you that you will give yourself or client a nail care service safely. You should carefully follow these tips if you want to achieve quality service all the time. I will summarize our lesson. In manicuring and pedicuring nails, there are different use of nail care tools and equipment. First is the nail file. This is to shape our nails. Second, orange wood stick, used in cleaning fingernails and pushing back cuticles. Cuticle nail pusher, used to push back excess cuticle growth. Next is the cuticle nipper, used to trim tough cuticles and hangnails. When using this, use it with utmost care to remove dead cuticle and hangnail so as not to injure live tissue. Nail cutter is a hand tool used to trim fingernails, toenails, and hangnails. Next is the nail brush, used for scrubbing the hands and cleaning the fingernails and toenails. Next is the foot file, It is a pedicure tool used to grate the dead skin of your feet. Callus remover. It is to make our callus thinner and smoother. The pumice stone, used to remove dry and dead skin. Never apply heavy pressure to the pumice, for this can cause sores, open wounds, and possible infection. And the hand and foot spa machine. And also the personal protective equipment, that are the garments designed to protect the wearer's body from injury or chemical or for job-related occupational safety and health purposes. So I have here some questions. And anyone can answer. What would likely happen if heavy pressure is applied when using a pumice stone?
Ma'am, if heavy pressure is applied when using a pump stone, it can cause sores, open wounds, and possible infection.
Okay. Next, why should a cuticle nipper be used with utmost care?
Ma'am, it is used with utmost care to remove dead cuticle and hangnails so as not to injure live tissues.
Yes. How can you protect yourself from injury or chemicals?
Ma'am, by using PPE or personal protective equipment.
Okay, that's right. You are all good at this, Students, since you've learned from our discussion, can you apply and use these tools and equipment properly? Can you avoid accident due to misuse of tools?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any questions regarding our lessons or discussion? Any clarification or violent reaction?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Alright, I think you are all good. Let's have this short activity. I will send a link here in Google Meet, and your task is to arrange the correct sequence of applying and using an orange wood stick and cuticle nail pusher. I'll give you 1 minute to answer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, I think we're done. I'll give you an assignment, and also I will post this on our Google Classroom. Your assignment is to research about how to perform basic preventive and corrective maintenance and store nail care tools and equipment. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Alright, we're done for today. Let's call it a wrap. Goodbye, class. God bless and keep going. Thank you.